Welcome to the WavExp music player. Let's get it set up and live in your store in less than 90 seconds. Let's get into it. First, click Enable App Embed. This takes you to your theme editor where WavExp is already enabled for you. Just click Save in the top right and head back to the App tab. Without this step, your music player won't appear on your store, so don't skip it. Now click Create Playlist. Give it a name. I'll call mine WavExp Demo, and hit Create. That's it. You'll see your playlist appear with a Live on Store badge, which means it's ready to play music. Now let's add your first track. Click Add Track, then type in your title and artist. Drag your MP3 into the upload area or click to browse. Once it validates, click Upload Audio File to confirm. Once you've added your track, the album art option appears. Upload your artwork image, and for best results, use a square 1x1 image. Then click Add Track. That's it. Your track is live. You can drag and drop tracks to reorder them at any time. Just click Save Order when you're done. On the free plan, you get one playlist with up to 2 tracks. Want to give your visitors the full experience? Try Pro free for 7 days. You'll unlock unlimited playlists and tracks, autoplay across every page, light or dark mode, choose between a floating button and minibar, auto shuffle, YouTube and SoundCloud sources, plus much more. Are you an artist or label looking to showcase your music? Try Studio free for 7 days. You'll unlock everything in Pro, plus platform links, music videos, lyrics, call to action badges, custom branding, and much more. That's it. Your music player is live on your store. If you need help with anything, check the documentation tab or reach out to us through the app or by email at contact@webexp.dev. Enjoy your new music player.